On a day marking 100 days to go before the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris, the CBC has revealed its look for the big event. The design, created by the network's in-house creative team, relies heavily on a bright color scheme and distinctive illustrative style and geometric accents. The CBC also created animated graphics depicting French culture and athletes in motion using an illustrative approach. These illustrations, which are done in modern Art Deco style, use a variety of swaths and strokes to form a myriad of imagery. Anishinaabe floral pattern, including floral motifs that represent the 12 flower emblems of Canada's provinces and territories, completed with Art Deco styling.
Chimera Lighting has announced a brand new product, the Tube Pro Light Bank. Tube Pro light banks can be used with a variety of LED tube lights including the Astera Titan, Quasar Science, Nanlite Pavo, Aperture, and other 2-foot, 3.4-foot, 4-foot, half-meter and 1-meter LED tubes. The Tube Pro Light Bank allows users to choose a beam spread with tunable louvers. Front screens and barn doors are available separately, as are additional louvers. There are 3 kits for a variety of needs: Basic, Standard, and Pro. Chimera's proprietary textiles provide superior longevity. The product is designed and handcrafted in Colorado, USA.
A team of video and AI engineers at Adobe Research has developed an AI application called Video GAN that can accept a blurry video and enhance it to make it a much shaper product. GAN stands for Generative Adversarial Network. As its name implies, the team used a generative adversarial network to teach the system what sharp and clear video looks like, such as individual hairs in eyebrows, rather than a blurry mass, and then added a flow-guided propagation module to keep things consistent between video frames. They also used anti-aliasing techniques to prevent what they describe as AI weirdness, and high-frequency feature shuttling to handle unexpected declines in video quality. The result, the team claims, is a system that can upscale video image quality by up to 8 times, all without introducing odd coloring, uneven lines or other well-known problems with AI-generated images and video.
The latest official NAB Show 2024 statistics have emerged. It shows that the event attracted more than 61,000 attendees, with topics including artificial intelligence and the creator economy taking center stage. The event, which took place in Las Vegas, featured nearly 200 exhibitors showcasing AI and machine learning tools, along with more than 150 sessions focused on these technologies. NAB Show organizers reported that 54% of the registered attendees were first-time visitors, noting a changing show demographic. International attendees accounted for 27% of the total, representing 163 countries. The show floor included nearly 1,300 exhibitors from 41 countries and 200 first-time exhibitors. The 2025 NAB Show is scheduled for April 5 to 9, 2025 in Las Vegas, with the 2024 NAB Show New York set for October 9 to 10.
SeaChange has announced a new agreement to be acquired by Enghouse after the termination of its agreement with Partner One. Enghouse, which provides communications solutions to cable and TV operations, defense companies, and utilities, will acquire substantially all of SeaChange's assets related to its product and services business for $39 million. In March, SeaChange had announced that Partner One would pay $30 million for its assets. After receiving the counter-offer from Enghouse, SeaChange's independent financial and legal advisors determined in good faith was a superior proposal. Partner One was given the opportunity to better its original proposals, but advised SeaChange that it had made its best and final offer.
At the NAB Show 2024, which concluded on April 17, Yellowtec showcased its new IntelliMix Neo, an 8-channel desktop mixer designed for audio mixing without requiring audio over IP connectivity. It offers extended inputs and outputs, as well as detailed setting options. The IntelliMix Neo provides control over 8 inputs, with channels displayed in 2 layers. With remote control options, admin mode, and an unlimited number of user profiles, the IntelliMix Neo is optimal for shared workspaces. The key components of the IntelliMix control unit include 4 G-Touch faders, a multi-touch widescreen display, and a rotary control. The IntelliMix Neo base unit handles audio processing, with headphone and microphone connections located on the front side, while all other inputs and outputs are placed on the rear side.
A bit more than 1 month remains until the Cine Gear Expo in Los Angeles starts. The LA Expo is the biggest one in a line of Cine Gear events. It takes place from June 6th to 9th at historic Warner Bros. Studios in Burbank, California, instead of the studios at Paramount, where it was previously held for quite some time. During the show, visitors will be able to enjoy outdoor booths on Warner Bros. Midwest and French Streets, former home to The Music Man, Bonnie and Clyde, and Gilmore Girls. Simultaneously, the Friends and Young Sheldon stages will house indoor booths filled with the latest tech from popular equipment vendors. Registration for the show is now open.